We'll test this mount after. Ooh, we got sunshine! Woo! Let's go, boys! So see, this is your handle here, and that. So worst case scenario, if we were to roll, we're not gonna roll, but if we were, you just keep your hands aside, grab your chest or whatever, but don't try and stop it now. Because you won't stop it.
The Brule sand dunes.
He wasn't trying to hit that like a jump.
You gotta go faster.
That was fun.
Yeah. Looks pretty smooth.
It's either that or the transmission, but I think it's the belt. I smelt it, but I've been in four-wheel drive or in high the whole time. Like, no way. It's usually Kelsey that has issues up here. Oh, that's died.
We're just tuning the suspension, right?
A little bit of fine tuning here with the 2018 Maverick and the belt, and it's got exactly 178.8 blue belt.
I know it's broken in.
So I'd like to give a big thank you to CanAm and Polaris and everyone out here in the dunes with us on this windy Saturday.
Oh yeah.
Is it Saturday?
No, I have no idea what day it is.
It's Friday.
We're just going with it.
Look at you going.
Yeah, first time using a ratchet. Here we go. We're teaching Kellen here.
Oh.
I think this actually might be my first time.
She's already off.
Oh, you're gonna switch it.
Oh, I grenaded it right there.
I was like,
And then
oh,
it
why is
rolled in here.
everyone stopped and not in the Maverick?
Just a coffee break.
Coffee break, guys.
I was telling this guy yesterday that I want to go for a ride. I want my beard to flap in the wind. We did that and we blew a belt.
Should have shaved.
Should have shaved. Should've shaved.
Gillette commercial.
Yeah.
Not a sponsor.
So this is how you don't break in your Can-Am belt with 178K on it. So it's a pretty clean setup. You got to thread the tool in here. We'll get that going here. We'll do a kind of a half-ass how-to. Not like I'm a professional. But
You got your safety glasses also.
we got safety glasses on. Hat backwards. Belt chunks everywhere. Oh, this thing's full. It's a little bit there. Woo! So
There's Vader back there.
there's a big strip in there. I'm gonna take this tube off.
The sand is cold. It's always hot.
What's hot? Oh, the
You.
sand. I know I'm hot. You shouldn't tell our 3 subs that.
6, okay? I
6
haven't looked
subs.
since this morning.
6. So yeah, if you like the video, which you probably won't, but if you do, shoot a like, subscribe, you know, just hooning around in Alberta, having a good time. Trying to get,
It's all about the editing.
it's all about the editing. You probably won't see any of this.
Learning the city, kid.
Oh yeah. Teaching
learned
guys
What do you
stuff.
figure?
from
You
Winnipeg.
know, learning a lot today. Getting pretty humble. It's really nice out here. That's all I gotta say.
Talk like that. Oh, that's funny. So I don't hear anything anymore.
Throw some sand at it. Oh, there you go.
Oh, never mind. There's a bunch in there.
Brand new.
Yeah. I should take it.
Where did the rest of
It is pretty hard. Like,
It is a rigid, really rigid belt.
yeah.
I'm gonna get one like my new Razor one. But the thing is, it didn't smoke. Like, I smelled it once earlier. But yeah, it just split in half. All the chunks are right in half.
Yeah, that's weird. It's
This
like
is
it
greasy.
was cold. It's like it friggin' shattered.
Yeah, yeah, like it just
pretty warm.
the comp, like it's stiff. I guess I don't know if that makes a difference, but she's the OG belt that came with it.
Oh, so we have the cover off and the remnants of the belt. The shattered belt.
What's left of it? Clean up all behind, whatever. Usually you'd acetone this. We don't have nothing out here in the field, so you thread the Can-Am tool in, and then you got this tool. Tighten it up all the way. Split your secondary, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
And then slide the belt on. Gotta just slide it. Hopefully it's split
Glide
enough.
and glide. Ooh. Give her a little spinner. Ooh, there you go.
Make sure you got no more wire.
Yeah.
Now for all you noobs, just kidding. I didn't even know this. Just spin it to seat the belt. Top of the hose.
Put the belt on the right way.
Ooh, I didn't check that actually. But she'll be coming off anyway to give a full cleaning. Usually you put it words the way you can read the lettering. So let's see actually. Yeah, we did put it the right way. You can read it here.
Oh yeah, totally
CanAm.
thought of that.
2852. I didn't mean to do it, but it's on.
Did it all by feel. Yeah.
So this case is kind of bent here.
Sandy.
Oh, bent right here. Cool.
Razor's fast. No, no, no. Razors only.
Yeah, look,
How'd she do?
pretty good. It's a little tight, like weaving. Like
Oh, yeah.